every day, late at night, not okay, all I want.
Today's December 24th, 2020. I ordered my LED headlight bulbs from Amazon on Monday, which was the 21st, I believe. So they came pretty fast, despite being the day before Christmas. And so they're pretty bright. They're very bright. And those are high beams. Only real issue was that when I turn on my fog lights, the high beams come on with them. I don't know what that is, but must be some type of feedback coming from the little transformer. But I'm very happy with them, and yeah, I highly recommend them.
El principal problema es que no alumbra nada. La luz normal, la derecha solo duró un par de días y se quemó. Y la izquierda no alumbra mucho. Debo usar ambas luces para que se vea un poco y en larga. Y de todas formas sigue siendo poquita iluminación.